Hello, welcome to English with Podcast and More. My name is Ryan.
And I'm Mia. We are happy you are here.
Today's episode is about self-introduction in English.
Yes, you will learn how to talk about yourself.
A self-introduction means telling someone who you are.
For example, your name, your age, and where you're from. Let's begin with your name. We say, "My name is." Repeat after us.
My name is Ryan.
My name is Mia.
Now you try. Say, my name is.
Good. Let's say it again.
In English, we say, I am years old. Listen carefully.
I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. Now you try. Say, great job. We ask, where are you from? You can say, I am from Canada. Or, I am from Brazil. Now you say it. Well done.
Let's listen to a full self-introduction.
Hello, my name is Mia. I am 25 years old. I am from Canada.
Hello, my name is Ryan. I am 30 years old. I am from the USA.
You can also say your job, like this. I am a teacher.
Or, I am a student.
Let's try. Say, I am a student.
Now you try. I am a teacher.
You can also say your hobby. For example, I like reading. Or, I like playing football. Now try. I like reading. Let's do a full example slowly.
Hello, my name is Ryan. I am 30 years old. I am from the USA. I am a teacher. I like reading. Now, let's practice together. I will ask and you answer. What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from? What is your job? What do you like? Well done! You practiced your self-introduction today. Remember to speak slowly and practice every day. Thanks for listening to English with Podcast and More. See you next time. Bye.